I'm going to show you how to set up and use Apple Watch with iOS 18. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it without any delays. Just go ahead and open your watch app. So it is right at the top. Just go ahead and tap here. Once you're here, you should see this page. Just go ahead and tap on start pairing. So if you want to set up the Apple Watch for yourself, choose the first option, but if not, then choose the second option if you're setting it up for your family. I'm just going to choose setup for myself, and make sure that your Apple Watch is near you and just press and hold the side button to turn it on. So after you do that, you should be able to see Apple Watch and just go ahead and pair it. And after you're here in the face gallery, you can choose any wallpapers that you would want for your Apple Watch. So in this way, you can successfully set up and use Apple Watch with iOS 18.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.